Every home is precious, but some possess historical significance and price tags beyond imagination. The world's most expensive houses till 2023 will leave you in awe of luxuriousness and wealth. In today's video, we're going to talk about most luxurious houses in the world. Number 1. Ellison Estate. Ellison Estate in Woodside, California, worth nearly $200 million. More than a house, it's a compound spread over 23 acres with a man-made lake, koi pond, tea house, and bathhouse. Owned by Larry Ellison, co-founder of Oracle and former third richest man in the world. Forbes says it's too big to live in. Kensington Palace Gardens, valued at around $222 million, is located on Billionaires Row alongside Prince William and Kate Middleton's home. It boasts 12 bedrooms, Turkish baths, an indoor pool, and parking for 20 cars. Owned by Lakshmi Al, head of the world's largest steel manufacturer. He is listed among India's top 100 richest individuals by Forbes. Number 3. Fairfield Park, a stunning $248.5 million property in Scapponik, New York, features 29 bedrooms, 39 bathrooms, a basketball court, bowling alley, tennis courts, squash courts, 3 swimming pools, and a 91-foot-long dining room. Situated on 63 acres with its own power plant. Owned by Ira Renner, owner of Renco Group, an auto manufacturing and smelting investment company. Number 4. The eighth wonder of the world, a $250 million masterpiece with breathtaking mountain views from 270 degrees. This heavenly house boasts luxurious bedrooms, gourmet kitchens, movie theaters, exotic spa, rare, expensive cars, and huge swimming pools. Mesmerizing amenities that leave you speechless. Come and experience it for yourself. Number 5. The Toroidian, valued at $387 million, is a captivating and luxuriously beautiful house. A visit here reveals true beauty and a next-level lifestyle. With a homely environment and the shimmering Mediterranean waters, it feels like heaven on water. The interior, designed by Alberto Pinto, is timeless and precious, evoking calmness and high satisfaction. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos we upload.